English prepositions, difference between in and on. Use in when something is inside an enclosed space with limits. For example, the books are in the box. The rice is in the bowl. My keys are in my pocket. Use on when something is resting on a surface. For example, the books are on the table. The chicken is on the plate. There's a rainbow on the t-shirt. Something can be in the house or in a room. House and room are enclosed spaces. But on the roof, on the wall, or on the floor, because roof, wall, and floor are all surfaces. Use in with seasons, months, and years. I like to ski in the winter. My birthday is in July. He was born in 1988. Use on with days and dates. I'll see you on Thursday. The class begins on May 1st. They met each other on New Year's Eve. Remember, when saying only the month, use in. My birthday is in July. But if you say the specific date, you need to use on. My birthday is on July 12th. Use in for neighborhoods, cities, states, and countries. I want to live in Miami. Miami is a city. Did you have a good time in California? California is a state. We have several friends in Germany. Germany is a country. Use on for streets. The bank is on Main Street. I live on Market Avenue. Use in for cars, trucks, vans, and taxis. There were 4 people in the car. The boxes are in the van. Our group won't fit in one taxi. We'll have to take 2. Use on for buses, trains, and planes. You need to get on the express bus. He started feeling sick on the train. I sat next to a celebrity on the plane. Visit espressoenglish.net for more English tips, ebooks, and courses.